Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what? That
Weekly
weekly heat,
heat.
baby.
Weekly
That
heat.
weekly heat. So these are the shoes that are coming out from January 26th to February the 1st. I'm going to go ahead and start it off. So on January the 29th, we do have a Nike SB Dunk Low. This is coming out at a price point of $115. The reason why I'm highlighting this, because I do like these light blue colorways. This shoe is called the SB Dunk Low Aluminum, and will be coming out on the sneakers app for $115. Predominantly, the shoe is all black. It does highlight. It's highlighted with that rugged suede, which I really do love. And this is like a baby blue. But you know, this is one of my favorite colors, that UNC blues. You see that white Nike swoosh on the side, all behind on that black panels in the back. Moving around to the back, we do see that Nike branding on the back. It does have that white lettering stitched in there. I do think this is a very nice, clean colorway for the summer or spring. But also, because it does have that black, it could be used for the winter as well. It does come with some white laces in there. If we look at the bottom, it does have that light tint of football blue at the bottom. It does feature that prominently SB logo in right in the middle pod, as we see. And that traction is the number one traction that we all love on the Jordans that are coming from the same as these Nike Dunks. And looking at the toe box, we do see that Nike SB branding on the tongue. The tongue is done really nice in that light blue color with the Nike. I just think it's a clean shoe, and because of the colorway, it's a white, black, and light blue. I think this can either be worn either the wintertime or the summertime. So I think this is a very versatile shoe, and I wouldn't mind picking these up for only $115. I won't be rocking these. Let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads. Are you rocking these or dropping these? How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
I'm really liking that shoe. I mean, like you said, I really like the price point. I will be rocking those as well. I really love the colorway of the shoe, but it's a nice, clean shoe. And I like how it's very versatile. It's a very versatile shoe. So I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on January the 29th, we do have a family pair, Air Jordan 1s. Price point for those men's are going for 160. Grade school is going for 140. Preschool, aka Bebe, is going for 90. And the infants and toddlers, aka Bebes, are going for 75. This is a clean shoe. I really like the price point with Jordan Brand doing here. What I'm really loving with this shoe is that the logo iridescent. I guess is that the right pronunciation of that?
Rainbow Bright in the back.
Yeah, Rainbow Bright. With the iridescent, what I like about it is it changes colors as the shoe moves. So I'm really liking what they did with the back tab of the shoe. I'm really liking with the white and gray leather, right? I like how they added the snake skin hang tag to the shoe. And then the shoe itself, I like how they incorporated the texture of the snake skin to this shoe. This is a clean shoe. I mean, I really don't get what Jordan Brand was going with dropping it during the winter months, but I can see this shoe doing quite well. Just save it for the summer. But I will be rocking this shoe. I will be rocking this shoe. What about you, my brother?
So as for me, even though I'm the low man, I will be dropping these. The elevated price point of 160 for just a little bit of snakeskin on the side, to me, doesn't justify the price. I can't see myself paying this high for some OGs. The regular OGs normally cost 140, and these are 160 just because they have a little bit of snake on the side. Therefore, I'm dropping these, and I can see the clear outsole at the bottom getting very dirty. It does have some teal hits on it, which you could rock in the spring, but I will be dropping these. So let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? So moving on to the next shoe on the list. This is the Nike Air Pegasus premium version. This does come at a heavy price point of $210. So just to give you some background of this shoe, this is the third tier of the shoe. We have the iconic Pegasus 41. That's the number they're on right now. As you know, every year they keep making the Pegasus, and this year's iteration is the 41. It does have a slight boost in the back. And that does come at a price point of 140. Then the next step will be the Pegasus Plus. This shoe comes around $180, and that shoe features some Nike Zoom Air the sole. And this is taking it up to a whole nother level because this shoe right here will be $210. It's their premium version. This will be the first colorway that's coming out. Let me know down in the comments, has this shoe ever been dropped before? Because I don't know. Kind of reminds me of the Air Max, the full length Air Max that came out a long time ago. Full length air bubble at the bottom of the shoe. That's why I like this silhouette. And this one looks more flatter because for me, it's all about that heel to toe. Like the shoe is too much a cushion at the back. It doesn't have that smooth transition when you're walking. I tend to not like those shoes, but this shoe looks pretty flat and it does feature a full length Zoom Air at the bottom, which makes the shoe extremely comfortable. And because it has that full length air from the front and the back, it seems like you will be able to just, roll your foot walking or running smoothly. This is a running shoe, and this is the first iteration. This shoe does come in predominantly white and does have that gray swoosh on the side. And the prominent hit on this shoe is that Nike Air Zoom, as you can see, in that brilliant, bright orange. On the medial side, we do see that Air branding on the inside of the shoe. Looking at the toe box, we do see Nike Air Pegasus on the toe tag. Moving down the shoe, we do see those white laces, and we do see kind of like, looks like some holes that's see-through, and you can kind of see the Zoom Air insole peeping through, which makes the shoe pop because it all kind of like matches all in one. Looking down at the bottom of the shoe, we can see that Air Zoom in the bottom of the shoe. I do think this is a nice shoe. However, I do not like the hefty price point of $210, but as you know, the Nike Invincible 3 are going on sale. That shoe was $195, and those are going on sale for $129 right now. So I do expect these shoes to sit because of the high price point, and I would like to get these on sale. If I can get these for around $160 or below, I will be copping me a pair. Let me know down in the comments, sneaker heads, are you a fan of this shoe, the Nike Pegasus Premium? I won't be rocking these. What do you think about these, my brother?
You know what? I really don't care for the shoe. That price point is really just driving me away from this shoe. So I will be dropping those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So the last shoe for the week will be on February the 1st is the Jordan 3 Valentine's. This is a women pair of shoes. Price point for those are going for $200. Now this shoe right here, is fitting with it being Valentine's Day. So I applaud Jordan brand for putting thought behind dropping this Valentine shoe in February. But this is a nice, clean shoe. I like how they incorporated that elephant print on the toe and the heel of the shoe. What really stands out to me on this shoe is what they did with the Jumpman logo and then the lower eyelet, how they incorporated that gem red on this shoe. I wish they would have did a little bit more with the laces, maybe incorporated some of that gem red with the pink. I think that really would have brought this shoe out. I'm really liking what they did with the gemstone accessories they added to the shoe. It's real nice, clean shoe for a female. Price point is a little sticky with me, a little high with me, but I can see this shoe doing quite well because of that semi-clear pink outsole. Just really finished this shoe off. It's a nice, clean shoe, and I can see this shoe doing quite well. Hey, I will be rocking those. What about you, my brother?
I won't be rocking these as well. This shoe reminds me of another shoe. It's called the Rustic Pink, and that shoe came out in 2021 for a retail price of $190. Those shoes, women's size 8, is going for $279. So not too much over retail. As we look at these Valentines, I do think this is a clean silhouette. I do like the way they did this shoe as well. And I think if I was a female, I will be rocking these for Valentine's Day. And I agree with you. I'm glad that Jordan Brand is dropping these shoes early so the females can get these shoes in time before Valentine's Day so they can rock them on Valentine's Day. So again, we do applaud Jordan Brand for that. However, I do see these kind of like sitting in a way because retail is not going for much for these. But if you want these, go and scoop them up, sneakerhead. Only time will tell. You know that the pink orchids did well, but these are 3s instead of 4s, so we'll just have to wait and see. Let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these?
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.